Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you the cloves oil. This is good for both the hair and the skin. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Obviously, I am going to be needing some cloves. Now, there is no right or wrong amount. If you want it very concentrated, you can use more, but if you want it a little bit dilute, you can use less. So I'll get a handful of cloves, put it in a paper. With the help of my rolling pin, I will just smash it up. This will reduce infusion time. Now I'll put it in a frying pan. Then I will come in with about 2 tablespoonfuls of coconut oil. Then about 2 tablespoons of castor oil. I also come in with 2 tablespoonfuls of olive oil. I'll put this on a super low flame and I will heat it up. It does not need to boil, you just need to heat it. So basically this will take about 30 minutes on super low flame. If you realize it's boiling, just put off the fire. And I'll be mixing it occasionally. So you can see some white foam. This is from the coconut oil. This is because I use pure unrefined virgin coconut oil. So it's been after about 30 minutes and it's ready. I'll just put off the fire and let it cool down. With the help of a strainer, I'll just strain the oil into a bowl. Using a funnel, I'll transfer it into a little bottle. This will be kept in my bathroom cabinet. I must say, for centuries and centuries, cloves have been used to cure many diseases, especially skin diseases and blemishes. The ancient people of Egypt even used cloves to preserve dead bodies. Combining that with the properties of olive oil, coconut oil, and castor oil, this is a great hair and skin remedy. It will prevent hair fall and hair breakage. It will make your skin elastic and reverse aging. If you've got fine lines, wrinkles, this is great for you. It basically rejuvenates the skin, making it younger and supple. So this is it, and I hope I did help you. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.